Today, many people are becoming more aware of the synthetic ingredients many traditional beauty products can contain and are choosing to go more green, marking a renewed focus around adding more natural, plant-based cosmetics to the shelf. Soy can be found in many of these natural cosmetics and skincare products, and for good reason. There are many ways soy can help support a more beautiful you, including soy's antioxidant and anti-carcinogenic properties can help promote skin moisture, anti-aging, and collagen synthesis. Soy sparkles in makeup too. Soybean oil is moisturizing and blends well with other makeup for a look that lasts all day. A recent clinical trial found that consuming soy protein helps improve wrinkles, pigmentation, and hydration, likely because soybeans are a significant source of isoflavones. And soy isn't just good for you, it's good for the planet. Soybeans are often farmed sustainably, so using plant-based products can reduce your carbon footprint. So whether you get it from your pantry or your vanity, soy can help you look and feel your best.